Very good morning, everyone. You did a fantastic job. I have seen many of the posts, few might be left out, but yeah, all of you have done a very good job. I've seen someone has a problem in doubling the curve part, the coloring part. I told you yesterday also. यू विल बी नीडिंग बिट प्रैक्टिस. ये एक दो दिन में नहीं हो जाएगा. इफ़ यू कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग रेगुलरली तो वो अपने आप वो चीज़ें आ जाएगी. ओके. एंड डबलिंग की जो थिकनेस है कम हो रही है, ज़्यादा हो रही है, दैट विल ऑल्सो बी रिजॉल्व वंस यू नो कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग डे बाय डे. So all those things are minor things. It will be improved by practice. So keep on practicing. Okay. And let's start with today's session. Today we will be doing the further alphabets. Okay, yesterday we saw some strokes and the alphabet A, right? Now today we will be starting with alphabet C. Okay, we'll be doing C. See, I am showing you taking a double line. See, if you also take a double line, it's fine, but don't go for 3 lines, don't go for 4 lines. Okay, 3 to 4 lines will be taken only when the letters are tall letters like B, T, all those are known as tall letters. F, G, and that if you consider more than 2 lines, it is okay. But don't go for small letters more than 2 lines. Okay. Now let's start. We'll start with the letter C. Okay. See, the basics one will be covered. I'll not go line wise. A के बाद B है तो B क्यों नहीं सिखाया? No, I'm not going line wise. जो easy है that will be covered up first, and then the hardest part will be covered. Okay. So don't worry, आपका B कहीं नहीं जाएगा, B भी आ जाएगा. Okay. So we'll start with C. Just slanting C. Double it and then color it. Okay, if you want you can give your stroke. Okay, don't double this stroke. Okay, don't color it. Okay, just a normal से try to keep this at a same distance. ऐसा नहीं कि ये छोटा है ये लाइन बड़ा कर दिया. No, this should be equivalent. Okay, this two strokes should be equivalent. I'll show you once again. See, we are learning a lowercase alphabets. Okay, these are lowercase alphabets. These are not capital. These are not uppercase. Okay, these all are lowercase alphabets. Small alphabets you can see. Okay, and a stroke over here. See, ये दोनों जो है वो सेम होना चाहिए. Okay, ऐसे नहीं. See, this will be wrong. If you are doing this, ये wrong हो जाएगा. Okay, try to keep this equivalent. Okay, so it will look much nice, good. Okay, yeah. So next we'll go with alphabet E. Same is just an extension of E. Okay, sorry, extension of C. And double this part. Okay, if you are not comfortable with this, you can simply draw a C and then take a curve from here and double this part. Okay, and color it. Simple. E is very simple. Okay, just you need to concentrate is on on your doubling part, your coloring part, where you need to go double it, where it should be thick, where it should be thin. That should be kept in your mind. Okay, ये line को thick नहीं करना है. Only this part is been थिकन, ओके, ये थिन ही रहेगा, ये मोटा है, ये पतला है. सो डोंट डबल ईच एंड एवरी लाइन, ओके. सो दिस आर द स्मॉल थिंग्स विच यू नीड टू कीप इन योर माइंड, ओके. आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. Okay, chalo, now we'll move for letter I. Okay, I is also very simple. It's very simple. You just need to have an ascender, a descender stroke, okay, but the curve has been reversed, okay. A slant line and the curve is to the right hand side, okay, and then double it and a dot, okay. So you can use a normal dot or you can use a heart shape, it's up to you, okay. Whatever you use, which you find it beautiful, you can use that, okay. You can use a heart shape also over here, it's up to you. I'll show you once again. Slant line and a turn and color it, okay. सी थिकनेस देखो, यहाँ पे मोटा है, यहाँ पे थिन होते जा रहा है. वेन एवर देर इज़ अ कर्व, नो, दैट टाइम इट शुड बी वेरी थिन. सी इफ़ यू सी द सी, जहाँ पे कर्व आ रहा है वहाँ पे वो थिन होते जा रहा है, जहाँ पे स्ट्रेट लाइन है वहाँ पे मोटा है. सो यू हैव टू कीप दिस इन योर माइंड, ओके. सो वो डबलिंग एंड जो कलरिंग पार्ट है वो अच्छे से होगा, ओके. नाउ विल गो फॉर लेटर एम, okay. We'll go for letter M. M is also very easy, just slanting lines, double this again. आप बोल सकते हो it is just a reverse U, okay. Double it again and a small stroke and double this part, okay. And now you just need to color it. See, इसे blank मत रखो, you always need to color it because the blank one is not good and it doesn't include in calligraphy, okay. फिर वो कुछ और हो जाएगा, calligraphy में blank चीज़ें नहीं होती, okay. See the end. See, it looks so beautiful just with the normal gel pen, okay. I'm not using any kind of brush pen or calligraphy pen, just a normal pen, and you can write your calligraphy writing so beautifully. I'll show you once again. M, double this again, a reverse U, double this again, a reverse U and a turn, and you need to color this out, okay.